Hi guys, it's me again. I'm Peter. I'm an insurance agent currently. Okay, so today I'm gonna make a very short video regards to a tips on medical card. Okay, so first of all, I would like to share with you all regards to this medical card. First tip is that please buy your medical card when you are healthy or very healthy. Okay, why did I say this? First of all, let's take example like my case. Example, when my insurance agent came to see me and asked me to buy medical card or insurance package, then that time was about 23 or 24 years old. Then the time was quite a bit naive, says that I don't think so. I need a medical card or anything on insurance. Not says because I don't believe, but I don't think so. I needed that time because I was very healthy. I was very strong or whatever. Okay, so after half a year or maybe 1 year ago, later lah. I mean, no, not say ago. Later, I don't know what happened, but there's one time that I was rushing home back to hometown. Then it was after work lah. So I was crossing the road, which is a zebra line. So the light of the light cross, the path crossing right, is going to red soon. So I had to run, but I never come across. I don't know there's a hole there, so my leg was slammed into this pothole, and I hear the sound of cracking from my inner body there. I can hear from my sound also lah. So after that, I have injured my ligament from my knee already. So after that, after the recovering about 1 to 2 weeks time, then I call my agent up. Hey, I need to buy insurance already. Then that time I just told him that, hey, I have done my ligament, injured my ligament on my knee, and I done also surgery also lah. So he says that there are possibility that your knee might be excluded. That knee, the right knee lah, will be excluded from this insurance package medical, but others one may cover. It's true enough. After the everything conclusion come out, my right knee was excluded from the medical coverage. So my conclusion is that if you are very healthy, do not have anything like high blood pressure or depression or whatsoever, or there's no injury to you before, please, and if you do not have medical card, please get one now, because when you are very healthy, everything is okay, everything is covered under medical card. Let's say for my case, if you happens to comes to this example, maybe today I don't know buy, tomorrow maybe I met accident, my arm was cannot be used already. So even though you buy an insurance, right, your arm will or your hand will be excluded from the medical card in future. Let's say because after accident, for sure you need some medical treatment for your, let's say, your right arm. Then because of right arm being injured before you buy an insurance, for sure right arm will be excluded from the medical part, and that time you have to fork from your own pocket money. Okay. Okay, secondly, is regards to this one. I also face a lot customers of my clients says where they says that, oh, my company provide insurance, so I do not need to buy, but I really advise you to buy one, because you know why? Even though company provide to you, because now you have some income source, right? And if you are now buy this plan, it'll be cheaper. Now I need to talk Thailand already. Okay, so in other words that, let's say today you're age 30 and you buy this medical card, maybe cost about 300 plus, but you say it's because got company coverage, so okay lah, I don't want lah, because enough already mah. But let's say by the age of 50, then suddenly you have to retire, or maybe due to whatever reason lah, so you have to get out from company, so company do not provide you a medical card already mah. So that time you have to buy. So when you buy, then your medical card will be very expensive. Then secondly, let's say the time because of this maybe lungs infection example lah, then that's why cost you have to rest at home, and you do not have company coverage on the medical already. So the time your lungs will be excluded also from the medical card which is you bought. Okay, so let's say any treatment on your lungs, you have to fork from your pocket money. So if today you're age 30 and maybe you say you predicted that at age 50 you have so-called this kind of sickness, you buy 30 years old cheaper, then by 50 years old, let's say you have this lung infection, then medical card is cover everything for you already. And on top of that, if let's say these are critical illnesses, right, it easily will waive off the cost. That means that let's say you have lungs infection and it's under critical illnesses, you no need to pay the medical card at all. Insurance company will waive off everything for you. So that's why I would advise you, let's say even company have provided you medical card, please get yourself one. Alright? Okay. Then lastly will be this also a quite frequent question or frequent answer by customers lah. Hey, medical card I have to pay until I die. Yes, most of the I don't say one company, but most of the insurance company medical card you have to pay until your move on. Okay? Or pay until let's say your term is until 80 years old, so pay until 80 years old, example. Okay? So why do we need to pay until we die? Just only let's take example. If today just a simple scenario lah. Why do you need to lock your house? Just a simple question. Just most of you guys say, oh, because I lock my house because I very concerned about burglary, right? So it's just the same thing about this insurance. You buy an insurance, it just only purely for protection purpose. Anything, let's say the burglary, now the case for insurance is maybe virus or COVID-19. Let's say you have this insurance, which is the lock of the house, then you prevent this COVID-19, which is a burglary entering into you. So even though let's say yeah lah, I know COVID-19 we cannot prevent, but at least let's say touch wood we have this COVID-19 infected, at least with medical card is cover you. Then your medical card can use it save your cost. And then one more thing is that let's say assuming you until 60 years old, I ask you one question. Today you buy at 30 years old. Do you know that whether you're age of 60, maybe you live until 80, at age of 60, do you know that anything will happen to you? You don't know ma. If let's say you predict, you really can know that what will happen to you 60 years old, you don't, or until 80 years old you do not have any sickness, okay, then don't buy lah. But you never know. Today I might be very healthy. Tomorrow I may have depression or maybe a stroke or maybe paralyzed. Hey, never know, no. So that's why I would advise that guys, yes, medical card you need to pay until you move on or you pass away, but it's something that you must, because I mentioned in my first ever episode, medical card is our foundation of the house. So it's very important that you have to keep the medical card until you die. Okay? Thanks guys.